The date, February 17th, 2011. The products, new. Here is your Thursday new product post. Here we've got a nice suction mount pan of ice base. And this is cool because it has this nice large suction mount base to it, and it's fully articulating. So you've got this adjustment, and then the head moves all around like that. The nice thing about these that are better than maybe a helping hand is it's got these jaws up top that adjust about up to 3 inches, and they have notches in them, so you can actually slide in a PC board, and it's really nice for soldering, hooking things together, things like that. And the base is very sturdy and holds everything nice. We actually took one of these and borrowed Dave's keys and hid them somewhere, so we're going to see how long it takes for him to get those back. So here we have a couple more products from Thing M. We've got the Free M and the Control M. And the Free M is essentially an infrared receiver that takes the commands from infrared remote and translate them into I2C commands that work with their LEDs. And the Control M is basically the opposite. It's an emitter that can emit infrared commands that can be picked up by the Free M, so then you can control them wirelessly. These work with our little keychain remote control that we got, and of course all the other Thing M products that they carry. So the Blink M works really well, plugs directly into the top like that, and then on the bottom we have a 9-volt connector, so we can plug it into a 9-volt battery, and there we go. We have an I2C controlled RGB LED that we can use with our remote control. So we can turn it off, we can adjust the color that comes out of it. We can go from like a purple violet to a white to a green and then back. We can also adjust the brightness, and if we had a remote control that had a number pad on it, you can use the individual numbers to control like blinking or set different patterns. So these are all pretty neat, and you can use the Control M into an Arduino or another microcontroller to take I2C commands, convert them out to infrared signals, and that can be read over by the Free M and control your LEDs. If you've ever played video games, you've probably used these. These are the little triggers that are in controllers like PlayStation or Xbox or anything like that. And these come unassembled in a package of the parts for the left and the right. So we've got mirror images of both of these in one package. And they come with this main plastic piece, a potentiometer, the trigger, a spring, and a little arm. And when you put everything together, it looks like that. So these are pretty handy, and we're probably going to be coming out with a board that goes over the top of this so you can use it a little bit easier, but it's got a mounting tab and some other things, so if you're creative you can probably fit this together and use it. So you can use this for creating your own custom controllers or anything where you don't just want a simple on and off switch. With the potentiometer you can have a nice range. So there you have it. This was our Thursday product post for February 17th, 2011. And as always, every week we've got more products on the homepage, so check out all the rest of the products that we have for this week, and of course we're going to see you again next Thursday.